name is Anya, and today I really want to make some cranberry and pecan cookies. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 4 tablespoons of softened butter, add in a 1/3 cup of sugar, mix until well combined. Add in 1 egg yolk and mix until well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add in a 1/2 cup of flour plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Add in 1 tablespoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Add in a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries and a 1/3 cup of chopped up pecans. Mix until well combined. Spoon onto a baking tray and flatten out slightly. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown.